Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan resigned from his post and released a detailed open letter addressed to the youth of the country. In the letter, he explained the truth behind the NEET-UG 2026 examination controversy and the reasons for his resignation. In the letter, Dharmendra Pradhan wrote that he had been working for students, teachers and educational reforms for the past 4 decades. He also expressed his gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for giving him the opportunity to serve the nation. The minister acknowledged that complaints of irregularities in the NEET examination were received on May 3, 2026. Following the complaints, the Modi government immediately handed the investigation over to the Central Bureau of Investigation, cancelled the earlier examination and took the major decision to conduct NEET in computer-based test mode from the following year. With the combined efforts of the central government, state governments, district administrations, parents and students, the re-examination was successfully conducted on June 21, 2026 with the participation of more than 2 million students. The results were subsequently declared on July 16, 2026. Dharmendra Pradhan maintained that he had always been against the examination mafia and had accepted moral responsibility from the very first day. However, after witnessing the protests at Jantar Mantar and in other parts of the country, he decided to resign. According to him, he did not want anti-national elements to take advantage of the protests, harm the country's unity, or force more than 2 million students into prolonged legal battles that could damage their careers. He further asserted that some people in responsible positions had been trying to mislead students over the past few days. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.